Hello guys. In this video I'll show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. This is so easy, just follow me. First, go to your Facebook account. Then click little arrow in top of right corner. Now, click settings. Here we need privacy section, click on it. Then we have to change default settings, like public and everyone to only me. Just follow me and do the same. Now we need to go to timeline and tagging. Here we have to do the same process. That's all you have to do, and now you got completely private Facebook account. Congratulations. That was all for this little and easiest tutorial. Hope you liked this video. Hit like, comment down below and subscribe my channel. Also click little bell so you will be notified first when I upload new video. Good luck to you guys and peace.